I'm not good at unboxing. It looks like this in the box. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul video for you guys that I actually polled my Instagram followers and asked if they wanted another haul video. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that 5 out of 7 days of the week I'm buying makeup, shopping for makeup, beauty products, skincare products. That's just my thing. So, I mean, I probably could do a haul like every week if you wanted to see one. Trust me. So I went ahead and polled my YouTube and polled my Instagram to see if you guys wanted a YouTube haul, and you said that you did. If you aren't already following me on Instagram, I'm gonna have my Instagram name somewhere here as well as a link down below. Go ahead and hit that follow button on Instagram because that's, you know what I mean? That's where we're really gonna be connected at. Today's haul is gonna have an array of products. Well, I shouldn't say an array of products, but price points. So I went to Ulta, Sephora, then I have some drugstore products from Walgreens, and then I also bought a new perfume. So let's get right into the haul. I don't know where I want to start. Do I want to start expensive? Let's start with Silly George. So this is the Silly George Lash Serum. I actually didn't go out and buy this. Silly George was actually nice enough to send me this for me to review and to let all of you guys know about their brand. So I'm going to have links below to their Instagram and their website. This is a lash growth serum. I've been using it for probably 3 to 4 days. I don't see a difference yet, but the product claims to have a difference within 7 days. You could also use it on your brows. It's super cute. Doesn't have a scent to it. You know how I feel about scents. It looks like this. Super cool, super cute, easy. I actually read on the website that you can apply it to your brows for fuller brows, so I actually might start doing that on my troubled brow. Where should we go next? Do we go Ulta? Do we go to Sephora? Do we go to fragrance? Let's go to Sephora. So I went to the Sephora at Short Hills Mall. I actually went in there specifically. I went with my mom, actually. She was looking for a Marc Jacobs eyeshadow. So while I was there, I picked up a Marc Jacobs lipstick in the color Cream and Sugar. And listen, all my lipsticks is nude, but they're all different nudes. So this is what the color looks like. I think it's pretty. This thing I picked up at Sephora, I'm actually wearing today. I'm actually using today, wore today, I used today. You know what I'm trying to say. And that is the Benefit Precisely My Brow pencil. So this is like one of those things that on social media, Instagram, YouTube, I feel like everybody is using this. Everybody. So I was like, I want to use it too. And they had my shade. I was a little shocked because I normally do a dark blonde, but this is a warm light brown. So that was a little, you know, but I actually really do like it. It's super thin. Looks like this, in case you haven't seen it in a million other videos. I really bought it because Nikita Dragon was on the display and I just love her, okay? But I really do love this brow pencil. I feel like it saves me time doing my brows. So I don't know if that's because it's thinner, not really short. And it claims to be waterproof and hold for up to 12 hours. And let me just say, I don't know about the waterproof part, but Swerk, life proof, that's it. The last thing I got at Sephora was the Fenty Beauty. I got a Fenty Beauty What is this? I bought it for it to be a blush, but it is actually a freestyle highlighting duo. And I got it in the shades Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. Looks like this. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a super hard compact to open. I keep thinking I'm gonna break my nails when I open it. This is what the colors look like. I've played with them as a highlighter, but I haven't really, it's definitely gonna be a highlighter. I bought it thinking I was gonna use the darker tone for blush, but that is not the look. That is not the look. That's what I got at Sephora. Now let's get into perfume. I used to be someone who hated perfume. My first department store makeup job was also like attached to the fragrance section of the store, and I used to hate it. I hated it. I like thought perfumes were for old people. Like, I just didn't like it. And then I fell in love with Angel, and I wore nothing but Angel. Then a few weeks ago, I'm lying. Like 2 months ago, I went shopping, and I went to the Louis Vuitton store at Riverside Square Mall, and I sprayed perfume on my sweater. I bought a bag. I forgot completely about spraying perfume on my sweater. I came home. The next day, I'm like, oh my God, who did I hug yesterday? My sweater smells so good. So for like a week, it drove me crazy. Like, where did this smell come from? Then it dawned on me. I sprayed myself at the store, you know. So I went back and I got the perfume. So this is my new smell. It's really strong. I love the way it comes in this big box. I'm not good at unboxing. It looks like this in the box, but it's a really cute bottle. If you've ever gone to Louis Vuitton, you know they have like a whole bunch of different colors. This is the rose-colored one. The blue one, the light blue one smells good too. Looks like this. And then this is the actual fragrance. So it's really a big bottle, and I will tell you, like, one spray of this goes a super long way. So that's what I picked up in fragrance. That's what I picked up there. Now let's go to like my second favorite place in the world to shop for beauty products. I don't really know what my first place is, but I love Walgreens. I love Walgreens because they always got a deal. Let's get into what I bought at Walgreens. I bought a lot of drugstore products in the past week, and some of them are new products, some of them aren't new products. The lashes, let's start with lashes, okay? So today I have on the Ardell Naked Lashes in the style 421, and I actually picked up 3 of these. And I thought they were really cute. They say that they blend seamlessly because they have an invisible band. I tried telling y'all girls back in 2013 with Pretty Princess Lashes that a clear lash band will change your life. You don't need eyelash extensions. You don't need eyeliner. You don't need a clear lash band will change your life. So I really like these ones. I've been getting compliments all day. I went to work today. I've been getting compliments all day on my lashes. So I'll probably zoom in. I'm not really too sure. That was a good pickup for me. And Walgreens had a sale, so that's why I ended up with 2 of those. I stocked up on 2 favorites that are clearly out of the packaging because I've used them already. And that is the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara Brow Gel. I use this to set my brows, and I was looking for a new brow setting gel. And then I thought back to when I first started wearing makeup. I was wanting to wear makeup, not even wearing makeup when I first wanted to wear makeup. I used to watch my grandma do her makeup, and she used to beat her face. Not how we beat face, but she, you know what I mean? And I was like, Grandma, I really want mascara. I really want mascara. So I remember she took me in the summertime to get this mascara. Okay, mascara. And I mean, I probably was like 9, 10 because, you know, I should have known it was clear. But she told me if I just put a coat of this on and curl my lashes, it was like I had mascara on. And girl, I thought I was doing something with it. So I knew I needed a clear brow gel. And I was like, you know what? The other thing that I can never have enough of is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. This is a waterproof one. I think it's a Valentine's edition because it has hearts on it. This is like my favorite drugstore mascara. I actually wore this mascara on my wedding day. Like I took it to the makeup artist who did my makeup and I was like, no, you have to use this makeup because I don't trust any other mascara when I cry. I don't trust no other mascara. So I picked that up. The next thing I picked up was the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in the color 10, Fair Light. This was like another one of those things that everybody I watch on YouTube uses it, talks about it. I've heard everybody say it's like super pigmented, it's messy. Basically every YouTube beauty girl, guy has used this. And I was like, it's crazy. I've never used it. I like it. Let's say that. I mean, I know this is just a haul. It's not like a review, but I'm actually wearing it today. I've been wearing it for a few days. I don't really find it to be messy. I think it's like a lot neater. I take that back because I just opened it and realized there's a little mess in there. I picked up 2 Real Technique sponges at Walgreens. The bigger sponge is like an all over body sponge, but I love it. I don't know if I've ever mentioned it in a video, but I love the bigger sponge because you actually can get a lot more area covered in less time. And then I just got the little sponge because I needed another little sponge. So apparently Bretman Rock, I think that's how you say his name, has a collection with Wet n Wild that's out now. I don't know if it's everywhere. I saw it at Walgreens. I picked up 2 of the brushes. I threw out the packaging. If you watched my last Get Ready With Me, I actually mentioned the Bretman Rock highlighter brush because I tried using it and I didn't necessarily like it. I'm still trying to like learn to love it. But these are the brushes. The fluffier one is the highlighting brush. The flatter, of course, is the eyeshadow brush. I think they have his signature on this end. I don't know. The jury is still out about those. But I only got those because what drew me to that section was this Bretman Rock Wet n Wild Jungle Rock palette. So I know the world thinks I don't use eyeshadow, and I don't. But I could do eyeshadow. I really can. I really can, I swear. So this is the palette. It has a lot of cute colors in it. I haven't really played with it yet. I really like this color up here, this cream color. Yeah, you know me, I love nudes. So that's the palette. How many shades was that? 6 times 5. No, 3 times 5. 15? 15 shades. And it was like $15. So I feel like 15 shades for $15 is relatively a good price. They are. I probably will film a Get Ready With Me and use a look and give a review on that to see if it was worth the $15. But it looks really promising. Last thing I'm going to be hauling is from Ulta. I went to Ulta with a specific product in mind. I went to Ulta with a specific line I wanted to look at in mind, and that is the Juvia's Place line, which is like, you know, it's really popping, social media. Like I said, I kind of was like going out and like seeing what everybody else uses and why don't I use it and trying it or whatever. But I've been hearing about Juvia's Place for a while, and I was really interested in checking them out because I know that they have a real inclusive line of skin tones with a lot of undertones, which is really important when finding your foundation color. People don't realize that. Like, it's not as easy as being a vanilla or a beige or a toffee. Like, there's a warm, there's a cool, there's a neutral, you know, that whole thing. I'm biracial. My mom is Italian and my dad is African American. So even though at times I look extremely pale, I have a neutral undertone. So if that makes any sense. So I picked up the Juvia's Place Magic Matte Foundation. I'm in the color 720 Bali. It says it's a velvety matte foundation. I wore it for 2 days, and at the end of both days, I felt like I looked less matte than I normally would. So the only thing I changed out was the foundation. So I think maybe for summertime, it's going to be a better look for me, and I'm going to be a completely different color. I don't know, it might have to grow on me, but that's what I picked up there. I went to the Makeup Revolution section to find the concealer that everybody is always talking about on these videos. And they didn't have my shade, but I found this calming makeup setting spray with cannabis sativa oil in it. I mean, I was drawn to it because the cannabis sativa. I was drawn to it because it was a setting spray. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know anything about it. I don't know how it smells. I haven't even, let's see. Ooh, go out and get this. Like, go out and get this. And this is a big bottle. And I think it was like, it wasn't expensive, like maybe $10. Well, before I say go get it, I don't know if it works, but it smells good. The next thing I bought at Ulta was an Ulta Beauty finishing powder, just a pressed powder. This is in the color light neutral. No explanation, just needed it. I'm always looking for a new blush. Like, blush is like, listen, when I'm tan in the summer, honey, my peach blush, it's a look. So I wanted to find like a little bit more pigmented blush than the one I normally wear. So I went and got the Ulta Beauty Pink Prosecco. And that's a flushed blush. It has a little too much sparkle in it for me. I don't know. Jury's still out on that. And then because I bought that at Ulta, they gave me a free little gift. I like free gifts. And that was pretty much it. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. I bought a lot of stuff on Amazon this week, but that's not really interesting to haul. I mean, unless you're into that, drop a comment below and let me know you want to see like an Amazon haul. Because I be buying, I'm not even going to hold you, I be buying all sorts of things on Amazon. Like, because Amazon has everything. I buy like, let me know below if you want an Amazon haul one day. But thank you for watching my haul. Make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you aren't already subscribing to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm actually going to be filming the My Husband Does My Makeup video tomorrow. By the time this video comes out, we probably will have already shot it. I'm anxious, nervous. I don't think I'm going to let him touch my eyebrows, but we'll see. So make sure you turn your post notifications on so as soon as I upload My Husband Does My Makeup or any other of my new videos, you'll be the first to know and you could come watch them. Thank you again, and it is what it is. Bye. Thank you again for watching. If you like this video, make sure you're hitting the thumbs up down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see in the next video. If you use any of these products I should check out, all of that stuff. Make sure you turn your post notifications on because I'm actually going to be filming the My Husband Does My Makeup video tomorrow. So by the time you see this video, that video is about to be posted. So make sure you're the first to know and the first to see it by turning on your post notifications. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I'm always active live on Instagram. Well, I don't be going live on Instagram, but I mean, I'm always on Instagram.